Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best modular toolbox system in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best modular toolbox system that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Craftsman TradeStack Toolbox System. I have been using and testing the Craftsman TradeStack Toolbox System, which first launched in mid-2021. Craftsman sent over their 3-toolbox tower, model CMST 60420, which comes with a small toolbox, a large toolbox, and a rolling toolbox. Prior to its launch, Lowe's placeholder product listing described this as a Craftsman Pro System tower. The TradeStack name also suggests this is a sturdier and more professional toolbox system. Compared to the Craftsman VersaStack and Dewalt ToughSystem lineup, TradeStack has a larger form factor, with a 22 inches length. Craftsman TradeStack's biggest selling point is its one-touch release, which promises to make it easier to unlock and remove toolboxes from a stack or tower. I noticed some deformation of the plastic, due to the strength of the spring action release lever, but it did not seem to have any detrimental effect on the sturdiness or functionality of any of the toolboxes. In no uncertain terms, the one-touch release is a brilliant feature. When you press the lever, it unlocks the above toolbox from a stack, and it remains unlatched, allowing for easier removal of the desired toolbox. Moving on at number 4, we have the Dewalt ToughSystem. I bought original Dewalt ToughSystem toolboxes and gradually replaced them with other solutions. But I've now gravitated back to the updated ToughSystem 2.0 system to complement my storage and organizational setup. I prefer certain Dewalt components better than the Milwaukee equivalents, such as the compact toolbox, and found myself using small groupings of ToughSystem toolboxes and accessories. In my opinion, Dewalt has the most flexible and functional options after Milwaukee, for now. The Dewalt Workshop storage system has the potential to be huge, especially when users realize they can mount the storage rails to any vertical surface, including the sides of toolboxes. Dewalt doesn't have many external accessory solutions designed for mobile toolbox setups, yet. At number 3, we have the Flex StackPack Modular Toolbox Storage System. This system took everything great about modular storage systems and made it even better. From the steel front and side tool rack rails to the innovative level holder, Flex added some extremely convenient features to this best of the best modular toolbox. The only negative I can think of with the Flex StackPack toolbox is its relative newness. That seems a lessening problem now that the company has released its second-generation products. These include rudimentary wall mounts and other products that integrate with the system. The base 3-piece rolling toolbox kit remains one of the best and toughest systems I've reviewed. They also have killer organizer boxes and medium, half-size organizers that work amazingly well and stack right onto the system. At number 2, we have the Ryobi Link Rolling Toolbox. While not as extensive as systems from Milwaukee or Flex, I really like several aspects of the Ryobi Link Rolling Toolbox. For one, it works well with the entire Ryobi Link storage system. That means you can add their storage boxes on top and expand your capacity and functionality. You can also add garage storage solutions down the road to handle hoses, power tools, outdoor power equipment, and more. Ryobi made the Link Rolling Toolbox with impact-resistant material so it handles any household abuse you can imagine. The wide, steel telescoping handle and 9 inches all-terrain wheels support 200 pounds of load capacity. Ryobi also gives this toolbox an IP65 rating against water and dust. If you want to expand your system, Ryobi has wall mounts, tool hangers, shelving, and more. Inside, you get an area in the lid for storing accessories like drill and driver bit kits. Lastly, the affordable $90 Ryobi Link Rolling Toolbox includes a locking point and integrated tie-down anchors. And finally, at number 1, we have the Milwaukee Packout Modular Storage System. Even with the second-generation products released by Flex, Milwaukee still has the widest selection of products. When it comes to the best modular toolbox system with the widest variety of accessories, you won't easily top the Milwaukee Packout system. This system has a wide breadth of products and accessories. From rolling cases to packout drawers, and even a Milwaukee Packout radio, this system definitely meets the needs of tradesmen. Whether you want to store tools and accessories, or even toss a modular worktop on your stack of packout boxes, this system has you covered. They also have wall mounts, vehicle mounts, dollies, and crates to ensure you stay as mobile as possible. Want to mount a charger to the wall? They have that too. Milwaukee even has a Packout compatible first aid kit. If you can dream it, they likely have it.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.